Dear student, today we will learn how to use Virtual Lab for practicing database management system experiment. Here we will use Virtual Lab hosted by IIT Bombay. You can directly go to the Virtual Lab of IIT Bombay, or you can follow the information provided in the Makout website for using the Virtual Labs. So let's start. First of all, you have to open the browser. Type here Makout. You will direct it to the Makout website. In the website, you will find in the latest announcement. Here you will get that mapping of Virtual Lab with BTech curriculum of CSE. Click on it. It will redirect you to a PDF page. Just find out the subject. Here the subject is Database Management System. Copy the URL provided here, or you can click on it to go to the Virtual Labs. Next, click on the Explore tab. You will find the list of experiments provided by these Virtual Labs. First of all, we will try the DDL assignment, that means Data Definition Language assignment. Click on it. You will provide it with this page. In this page, at the left side, you will find several topics such as aim, theory, p-test, procedure, simulation, post-test and reference. In the aim, you will find out what is the objective of this lab. When you click on the theory page, you will get the detailed syntax of DDL statement. That means how you can create the table, how you can alter the table, or how you can drop a particular table in a database management system. Next, you can go to the p-test tab. In this p-test tab, you will find several MCQ. Just go through it to test your knowledge. In the next section, you will go to the procedure. In the procedure section, you will find out the set of instructions that how you will execute your query. So, we will go to the simulation part for executing our query. In the simulation tab, you will find out a assignment of DDL statement. Just for creating tables, here two tables are given. The first one is the student details and second one is the subject details, and several SQL statement for altering the table. So let's start with creating a particular table. Go to the simulator and enter your first statement. We will try to create a table of MIT consists of a ID of a student and the name of the student. So write down the query. Here we are creating a table named MIT, and it consists of two fields. First one is the ID of the student, that is the data type of it is number, and within the bracket its size. And second field is the name, its data type is varchar and its size is 20. Next, click on the execute of query. You will get the hints, that means the table is created. Okay. Now if you want to look forward that whether your table is created or not, or you can see the description of the table, then just remove the previous query and type here next. Click on the execute query. DESC MIT means you are asking for the description of MIT table. Next, click on the execute query. You will get the details of your table whichever you have created. That means the ID field and the name field. This is the column type and this is the size you have provided, and these are the remarks or the description, that means whether you are providing the primary key or whether it is defined as null or not. Okay, so this is the syntax for creating any table in the virtual lab. You can go to the others query and you can practice this through this virtual lab. Thank you.